What's up, guys? Really quick, I just wanted to go live, kind of talk to y'all. We're kind of cruising today. We're going to go to the doctor and run a few errands. So I wanted to talk to you guys about, and I've actually been getting a lot of questions about different ways to earn money online. There's so many freaking ways to earn money online in 2020. It's pretty unreal. And you don't have to have any specific skills. If you know your way around each one of the business models that I'm going to talk about here today, then you can pretty much find anybody to outsource, or you can find someone to outsource just about any of the skills needed throughout any part of the process of any of these business models. And that's what's so cool in 2020 is you can get that done really cheap, because we're connected worldwide with freelancers from all around the world, to where smaller amounts of currency here or larger amounts of currency there, and they appreciate the work, and you're not taking advantage of anybody. You're actually providing them with work, which is what they need. So they'll do it for unbelievable super cheap prices in the year 2020. I'm going to tell you where to find these freelancers, how to hire them, how to assign them, and how to bring them into your arsenal to where they're almost a part of your agency, your business model. They're someone you can continuously rely on once you find a good freelancer for that specific skill. Now, you'll hear a lot of terms like affiliate marketing. You'll hear the word agency and firm. You'll hear all different types of marketing, like digital marketing, email marketing, content marketing. There's tons of marketing, different types of marketing that all go back into different types of business model. But none of them are really business models of themselves, but mixed and brought in together with other tools and strategies and methods, they're a part of the business model. So when you hear affiliate marketing, there's a million ways to do affiliate marketing. You can do face-to-face affiliate marketing, where you literally send someone to a link or whatever, and you do that face-to-face. But more than likely what you're going to do is you're going to use organic reach and SEO, search engine optimization, to capture traffic from people that's already searching either for your services, or maybe on your blog, maybe wherever that traffic may be searching for you. You use that traffic to create a business. And what you do is you bring them into let's talk about affiliate marketing as far as niche websites. So you can have a niche website that's targeted and used affiliate marketing only. You have no following whatsoever. You don't have the same people following your stuff. They're coming back day in, day out to check out your content. It's always, usually, more than likely, it's new visitors, it's new traffic. And what you do is you find, using search engine optimization, which I'm an expert in, and you too can become an expert in SEO optimization. Nowadays, it's no big deal. Leave a comment and I can get you some courses. I can point you in the right direction to learn SEO, because you'll need it across all of these different online businesses. And I'm not going to get to talk about them all today, but I am wanting to leave you with as many as I can talk about, and then we'll get more in depth with the ones that you find more interesting. Just leave a comment with which one you want to learn more about down below. And if you haven't already and you'd like to learn about this type of content, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like. Let's grow a little more in 2020. Support the channel. I appreciate it, guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to start a blog around one thing. This is a niche website, so it could be anything from dirt bikes to RVs to different hunting. Something you're passionate about is something I always recommend. And then what you're going to do is you're going to write 20 to 30 articles, 500 to 1,000 word pieces of each piece of content, about 500 to 1,000 words. Nothing crazy here. And what you're going to do, using SEO, which we can talk more about in other videos, you're going to find what people are searching for with in that niche. So maybe you write an article about the top 10 reasons a 125 dirt bike is the best for 16-year-olds, because you see that a lot of people are searching for this on Google using SEO methods, different techniques, and you find out exactly what everybody's searching for. You write an article, and with it being SEO optimized, it ranks. When it ranks, the more people that searches, they see this article. That's an impression. They see it. They don't click on it, they see it. Now when they click, this is a click, it's going to bring them into your website, which is ultimately what you want to do in the long run. You earn from ads being displayed on your blog, and then you also earn money when the traffic, when that visitor clicks on one of your links, your affiliate links, and goes to their website and converts. You earn a commission on each one of those sales, each time they convert, each time they use your link, click on your link in your blog. So that's one way to earn. I always recommend, no matter what small business is out there, you always create a blog. Someone is always searching for something in your industry, and you can drive that traffic and convert on that traffic. Free traffic, organic, 100% coming out of search. Another thing is SEO and different digital marketing techniques. All these are agencies. These businesses need these services. And once you master these services, even if you don't master these services, but you know someone that can fulfill these services, I don't know what happened there. But if you know somewhere to look or find freelancers that can fulfill these services, all you have to do is set up a website selling different digital marketing agency or different digital marketing techniques to say. So you may sell SEO services, you may sell Google My Business creation and optimization, you may sell leads, you may sell whatever you may do for them, run PPC ads, whatever it may be. You never have to learn these skills. You don't have to be an expert at running PPC campaigns. You charge, maybe let's say you charge $800 to run $1,000 worth of PPC ads for a small company. You take that money, they pay you $800, you go and you use that $800 and you buy a freelancer that can complete that service, that can complete that job needed from the small. And then whatever they charge, maybe they charge $150, whatever they may charge, you keep the profit of the $800, and then hopefully you do well, great return on investment. They like what they purchased, and they tell their friends, they tell their other business owner within their network, and you have a thriving business. Now run some ads to this website, voila, you really do have an online business, and you don't have to know any of the skills. You can offer logo design, you can offer tons and tons of different things, web design, different social media management, all this, and you never have to know any of these skills. I've capitalized and leveraged this exact business model to create a full web design and SEO agency. Now, we're still growing, we're still catching traction, and we're still we're doing a lot of work on our website to A and B and test to find out what exactly is converting our visitors into customers. And then, of course, I've got a ton of freelancers I use. Now, growing these online businesses over the years, starting them, trying different ideas, I have hired a ton of freelancers. I've grown relationships with these freelancers. I know exactly who to call for each skill. I already have them in my arsenal, have their contact information. More than likely, I don't even go through the platform that I found them. More than likely, I found them on Fiverr. Now, I will leave a link down in the description. It's an affiliate link. I think we both get like $10 if you go through my affiliate link. If you don't want to, go to Fiverr.com. Whatever helps the channel. check out the link in the description. But Fiverr has tons of freelancers. These freelancers are up and coming. They're super talented. Don't get me wrong, there are some on there that deliver low quality work, but for the most part, they're up and coming freelancers, and they're truly trying to earn your business, and you can get them for super, super cheap because they're from other countries. They're not from the US. Now, you can hire US freelancers on the Fiverr platform and offer a higher quality work. That doesn't mean that it's going to be more high quality than the $5 stuff. You never know. You have to buy it. But my philosophy has always been it's $5 or $10. I'm not really losing nothing. Let's give it a shot. And overall, I've had awesome results from doing this, and I've created an awesome contact list of different Fiverrs for different skills. Look, guys, there's other ways. There's tons of ways. You can buy and sell domains. You can buy and sell websites on sites like Flippa. There's tons of other places to go. Check out the links in the description. I'll continuously upload different ones and update when I come across new stuff. Guys, if you like this kind of content, again, please hit subscribe. This is going to be an unedited, just live video that I upload where I'm just talking to you. I'm a real person, real business owner. I'm from here in the United States of America. My name is Adam Madden. Please hit the subscribe button. If I can do anything else, please leave me a message, shoot me a message, whatever you want to do. Connect me with me on social. And until next time, guys, peace out.